After selling over $10 million selling on Amazon, DataDive has become my go-to software when it comes to literally everything in my business. To verifying my products, to improving my products, to optimizing my listing, to launching my PPC campaigns, all the way up to tracking my organic ranking with what's called their rank radar. It literally does everything and it replaces all of the other software tools. So in today's video, I want to give you an A to Z masterclass on exactly how I'm using it and why you should consider it yourself. Just a little quick plug, I do have a massive discount in the description. You guys get a free trial plus a discount to DataDive. So with that said, let's jump into my screen and show you the magic. So here we are inside of the DataDive dashboard. This is going to be something that you're going to start getting used to, is what's called their MKL, their master keyword list. This is where everything starts. Basically from product research to improving the product, to listing optimization, to launching, to tracking your ranking. Everything starts from building out this keyword list. And the way that we do that is we come over here to Amazon and we search for the product that we either want to sell or the product that we are selling. So in this case, let's say I am selling this fire hydrant for dogs. And so I'm going to search my main keyword. I'm going to come over here and pull up the extension, which is going to show a complete breakdown of all the products on that first page. It's going to show you the search volume, the total revenue, the median reviews, literally everything that you would want in terms of just data analytics. A lot of other softwares have a similar extension that does that, but this is where DataDive excels and it takes it a step further. And that's where you're going to do a deep dive and create an MKL, which is basically a glorified or just a massive upgrade for a reverse ASIN lookup that's going to give you way more in-depth data to make smarter decisions. And so what I want to do is find my top competitors that are selling good so you can see the revenue and you can see kind of the reviews and everything. So I come in and I toggle these and I turn them on, and I'm going to select at least 10 to 15. As you can see, I have 12 selected and I'm going to hit dive. And as soon as you hit dive, it's going to take a little bit to basically compile the results, and then it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Now, you don't need to be confused. I know this looks like very complicated, but as you dive into it, this is where you're going to be like, oh my goodness, how was I living without this? And that's exactly what me and my team realized just a few years ago when we discovered DataDive, and that's why we've been using it ever since. So basically, the easiest way to look at is red is kind of alarming, is bad, and green is good. So if you see a lot of red, that means, okay, that might be something that might not be great. But we're going to just kind of overlook that, and just for the sake of example, I'm just going to show you how we actually use this. So the first thing is I'm going to come and basically eliminate keywords that are not relevant. So this is a fire hydrant for dogs. And so what I want to do is come in and delete any keywords that are not relevant. So right here, it's P post for dogs indoor. That is not relevant. This is for this is an outdoor dog park equipment. That is not relevant. A pee stick for dog. It could be, but I'm going to delete that as well. And so I'm just going to make sure that all of these keywords are super relevant for my particular product. And from there, I'm going to hit exclude. That's kind of the first step. You want to make sure that you have a keyword list that is super highly relevant for your product, and there's not those weird outliers like I just showed you right there. So from there, you have really valuable information that you can kind of go in any which direction. And I'll give you the first example of this is how I'm verifying my products. So if you go and come to a keyword and use other typical extensions, for example, like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout, you've probably been taught to search for a keyword, open up the extension, and look for high revenue and low competition. And sure, this product shows low competition, 47 average reviews, which that's super low, and total revenue is 172,000, which that's pretty good. And search volume is decent, nothing crazy, but it's like, oh, okay, this product has low competition and high demand. I'm going to go launch it. But that's the issue of the other softwares. They're not going to give you the insights that DataDive does to actually know whether or not this product has potential or not. And so that's kind of the first part, is the verification aspect. And I can quickly see that all my competitors that I just selected are very strong. And if we continue to scroll over, strong. Like literally every single one is a top competitor. And for me, that is a red flag. So if we come over here to overview, you can quickly see that the competitor search volume strength, literally 8 are very strong and 2 are strong. There's none that are very weak. There's none that are semi-weak. And so for me, it's like, okay, yes, it shows that there's super low average reviews, but like the competition search volume strength is just through the roof. And basically what that means is it's going to be hard for me to launch this product and wedge myself in to these keywords because most of these sellers are dominating these keywords. And so that presents a competitive market. Again, you wouldn't know that without a tool like Data Dive. And so that's kind of the first element is product validation. And again, if you don't have this, you're basically toast. Now, what's cool is there's a lot more than just product validation. And that's, again, just one element. I have an entire video that I kind of walk you through my exact product validation criteria and steps. But that's the first part that I'm using Data Dive for. The second part is once I verify it, I'm using their AI product brief to improve the product. And they have what's called deep dive. This is kind of cool, is where you open this up and it will show you all the competitors. You can see their images and exactly kind of what they're doing. You can see their ranking. You can see their average price. You can see their seller country, like all that stuff. You can also collapse this and make it super small so you can see like, okay, can I improve the images? Or what is the market looking like? Like these images, honestly, are not that great. And so maybe that's something that I want to improve. Like this one, they're kind of lame, but at the same time, like how cool can you make a fire hydrant look? Like this one is just, it kind of looks photoshopped a little bit. So anyways, there's some things that I would do to improve on my product images. And you can quickly see that right there. But my favorite is when you come over here to AI product brief. Basically what you do is you can select all of your competitors. You'll hit analyze selected competitors. And what this is going to do is it's going to pull all of the reviews from your competition. It's going to put it into a report, and then AI is going to analyze it and find the holes in the market, find what's good about the product, what's bad, and it's going to tell you what you can do to improve and make sure that you stand out above your competition. And so this is one of my favorite tools, is how can we improve and differentiate? That is by far one of the most important parts to the entire FBA process. And just like that, it loaded a couple minutes later. And now what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, and I'm going to toggle all of these to turn on, and it's going to show you the selected listing attributes. Again, you can basically select if you want them or not. I just turn them all on. And then you're going to scroll down what the customers like. I do want to see that, so we'll turn that on. And then we'll come over here to what the customers dislike. I definitely want all of those. And then you're going to come down and it's going to give you this kind of value added ideas. And then if you want, you can hit the generate product brief, and it's going to take all of that data that you just compiled and put it into one brief. And this is an absolute game changer for anyone that is looking to launch a new product on the Amazon marketplace. Back when I very first started selling on Amazon, this was nothing that we needed to do because the competition wasn't there. You could basically just whip up anything, throw it on Amazon, and it would sell. But now the competition is a little bit stronger, and you have to be smarter, and you have to be more strategic, and you have to figure out the holes in the market. And if you can do that, if you can solve somebody's problem, that's where you can succeed in the long term. And that's where I see so many beginners just absolutely fail and land flat on their face. And so just like that, we have the product brief generated. And so all of this is broken down. Like I'll give you just a quick kind of overview of this. So here's the overview, what the product should have. So make sure that it has this, make sure the design is this, make sure it's stable, make sure it's durable, make sure the material is this, the size. Like it literally gives you everything that you need to make sure that you're including, because a lot of times people are like, oh, I'm going to launch this product, and they don't study their competition, and they end up launching their product and they're like, oh wait, our competitor has this and we don't. Like, shoot, that's a problem. But this is going to show you what you need to have. And it's also going to show you some ideas for improvement. So you got interactive features, scented attractions, customizable design, educational guide, eco-friendly, multiple use, improved stabilities, the customer avatar, literally everything mapped out in this product brief. So that is an absolute game changer when it comes to product research. And again, for me, I won't use any other software when it comes to verifying a product other than Data Dive. So again, I start it in search, pull up the extension, I toggle these on, I do the dive, I come to my MKL, my master keyword list, which is right here, and I clean this up. I can analyze the competition. I can see exactly what's happening. You can see that this market is very strong. You can see the listing age, you can see the variations, the average average revenue, like literally everything all in one place. And then you can see right here, if you scroll down, well, we'll lift this up. You can see where the competitors are ranking for each individual keyword. And that's where this strength metric actually comes from, is it's looking at the keywords, how relevant they are, and where they're ranking at on the first page. So most of them are basically just dominating the main keywords. And that's why this is a super competitive market. And then I use the deep dive to look at the images, and then I come to the product brief and I figure out how to improve it. And then the next thing is I come over here to the listing builder, and I can use the power of AI to literally generate a title, bullet points, and a description that is highly SEO optimized. And so we'll just come over here and just come to the AI copywriter, and you can decide which option for your goals, whether you want for Cosmo and Rufus or just Cosmo. I honestly like the Data Dive Classic AI copywriter. I'm just gonna hit continue. And then what it's gonna do is it's gonna prepare your listing. Again, taking the keywords from your master keyword list that we created from the product research stage. And now we got the product improved, and now we're time to actually launch the product. We actually need to generate and optimize listing. And so now AI is going to do it, and we'll see how fast this is going to go. It's literally in like a matter of seconds, like done. It's already there. You've got the title, you've got everything, and then I'm just gonna hit continue, and boom, we've got the title, and obviously you can go in and adjust it. You've got the bullets, you've got the description, you've got the generic keywords, like literally everything all in one place. And then it's going to give you an overall score for how optimized this listing is and compare it to the competition. So overall, I'm 1 of 11, which is great. The title, I'm 1 of 11. The bullets, I'm 2 of 11. So maybe I could improve there. And then the description, I'm 5 of 11. So maybe I could improve something right there. And you can see the keywords all down right here, where all of the competitors are using the keywords, whether the competitors have these keywords in their title, the bullet points or description, or nowhere. Like literally the amount of insights and data, I mean, that's the name of the company, is Data Dive. They're giving you everything that you need to know to make that smart decision and basically help you stand out from the competition. So that is the listing builder. And then they also have a PPC keywords and campaign builder as well, where you literally click a button and it's going to show you the different keywords. And I don't know what else you would want, but I'm going to show you one last feature that I personally love and use, and it's called their Rank Radar. And again, it's going to come back to our master keyword list that we created from the very beginning. So basically, Data Dive will do everything from verifying to optimizing to improving the product to then launching the product to then tracking your ranking with Rank Radar. So what you're going to do is you come over here to Rank Radar, you can come and hit new radar, and you're going to put your ASIN in there, and then you'll hit generate. And I'll show you what this is going to do. But first we'll come over here to overview, and right here you'll be able to see the product performance broken down by individual date, which we'll get into. You can see the best sellers rank, the overview graph. Then you can see the going up. So these are the gainers. So which keywords are going up and which keywords are going down, and you can monitor that. And my favorite is what's called the heat map. This is basically where you're tracking individual keywords. You can see the search volume, you can see the relevancy score, and you can see where you are at every single day of the week or of the month, what position you're ranking. So as you can see, Friday, November 21st, I was in position 4. So that's the 4th spot of page 1. And then right here today, I'm in position 6, which like that's still good, but it's like, okay, I went down. Is there something to maybe look at? And in that case, it only went down 2. It's probably not the end of the world. But like this one right here, you can see I was 7, then I went to 4, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2. So like things are improving for this particular keyword. So that's a good sign. But this right here, you can see that I was at 15, but I've gotten worse. 29, 28, 23, like it's just kind of going down. So it's like, okay, was there something that I did to make this go down? And you can see that I have a tag and it looks like I changed the title. And so I changed the title, and for whatever reason, my title change affected the dog pee post keyword. And so it's like, okay, well, maybe I need to go back and change it to the original title. And so it's just going to show you what is working, what's not. So when you make a change, when you update your title, when you update your description, you'll want to come in here and make a tag. When you create a new PPC campaign targeting a specific keyword, you want to come and say, okay, I am trying to rank better for this keyword, this fire hydrant toy, like this keyword, I'm kind of getting wrecked. Like I'm in 31 back in November, but now I'm 51, like it's getting worse. So maybe I want to go create a PPC campaign and target this specific keyword. So you go create a campaign, and then you come and create a tag and you'd say, okay, I created PPC exact match, and then I start it today, and then I have that added. I'm going to add it. And just like that, I can come back in a week or in 2 weeks and be like, okay, did that change my rank? Did it improve it? I don't know, because you won't know unless you come right here and actually track it. And so that's what this heat map is going to allow you to do, is literally see your organic ranking by day and how it's fluctuating. And again, if you make changes, or maybe you run a sell, or maybe you do an influencer post or whatever the case, you can actually see, do these things actually move the needle or not? And then the last thing is, if you come over here to the blind spend, and if you have this connected to your seller account, it will literally show you the PPC spend for these keywords and if it's actually producing results. And so you can see the search terms, where you're ranking, how you're ranking, and the spend that you're spending to see if the PPC is actually worth it or not. And if it is, great, spend more. And if it's not, turn it off and save your money and increase your bottom line. So many sellers are clueless on what's going on behind the scenes of their product because they don't have a proper tracking system set up, and Rank Radar allows you to do that. And so as you can see, it's literally an all-in-one suite to run your FBA business and to run it effectively, efficiently, using data, using AI to really grow your business to that next level. So anyways, I absolutely love Data Dive. There's a few other features that I like to use, but those are the main ones that I'm using basically every single time I'm going to launch a product, anytime I'm going to create a listing, anytime I'm looking to improve a product, when I am tracking a product and I'm optimizing my PPC. Like, if you don't have these things, it's basically like you're guessing. And for me, I do not like to guess. I like to take the data, make decisions, and then from there, I can kind of tweak, fine tune, and adjust and figure out what's working, what's not. So hope you guys enjoyed. The link will be in the description for the discount to Data Dive. That's a complete A to Z masterclass. Let me know if you guys have any additional questions about the software. Again, Data Dive is an absolute game changer, and we'll see you in the next one.